Hi, good evening, everybody. My name is Suneel Guntuur. I am from University of North Texas Department of Health Informatics. Today, I'm going to deliver the research paper article that is a broad assessment of COVID-19 vaccine safety using tree-based data mining by using the Vaccine Safety Data Link. The purpose of the research paper is to conduct an extensive safety evaluation of COVID-19 vaccination with the help of data mining methods based on the tree. The research question was based on the idea whether these vaccines had an evaluated risk on all health outcomes by scoring a wide panel of diagnoses through near real-time observations. The next one is related literature. The important notions are the monitoring of vaccine safety, scan statistics, the tree-based near real-time surveillance, and the vaccine safety data. The study is based on the previous work on the active surveillance systems and the post-marketing monitoring of a vaccine, especially based on the statistical signal detection. And the fundamental works that is mentioned above in this paper is methodology and the domain specific studies regarding the use of data mining to recognize adverse events, locating the study in the context of other articles on the topic of vaccine pharmacovigilance. And the next one is research design or strategy. The observational study in which the EHRs, electronic health record data of the visual statistic data link, including 11.8 million vaccine doses delivered between December 2022, June 2021 for user. The other user tree-based static analysis where the ICD-10 codes were organized into tree structure. An attempt was made to scan through the tree in a hierarchical manner. The research did not employ a classical sampling procedure. Through it incorporated vast real-life information. The main model that was used was the tree scan software that would be used in data mining. And it has provided new hypothesis-free method of identifying signals of accepted. Sorry. The next one is results, discussion, and conclusions. Findings were reported using risk ratios estimation and the graphical visualization of branches of trees having greater risk. No safety signals were identified in the course of analysis, raising regulatory concerns. The discussion provided an assessment of strengths and weakness of tree-based methods of interest along with the potential study bias. And the examples are undercoding bias or the late data reporting due to bias. And the next one is contribution. The paper illustrates how it is possible and practical to carry out tree-based scan strategies to accommodate the whole. Near real-time surveillance of safety vaccine. It offers a data-oriented modeling whose application would boost public health surveillance system. The technique assists in the detection of new safety concerns without the need of hypothesis formation as one of its main contributions to post-marketing pharmacovigilance. The second one is critical analysis. The design of the paper is good and it is easily read and understand. The rationale and methodology and findings are very clear. The research problem was well conceptualized by the authors and the usefulness of the tree-based data mining methods was well mentioned by using the tree scan method. The design is sound and the visualizations improves interpretation. It is written professionally and can be understood by those readers who do not have depth knowledge of statistical epidemiology. The reason why the study was probably approved is it's to topically understand the condition of the COVID-19 pandemic and taking an innovative approach to the pharmacovigilance study. And the research methodology. With the help of vaccine safety data link and the tree-based scanning, the others applied a data-oriented and explorative approach that could aid in computation of thousands of outcomes by using electronic health records. To guarantee reliability, the others use multiple testing corrections as well as the review the potential findings with the clinical experts like Monte Carlo based p-values. The technique stands in good chance of early detection and keep false positive low. Now, on the whole, the approach is appropriate to identify rare and unforeseen adverse events after the shot. The future research. Health studies will have methodology. In future studies, the researchers can introduce long-term follow-ups to investigate delayed adverse effects. Most likely, signal accuracy could be better using more clinical context, lab results, or other unstructured clinical notes using natural language processing. In case I repeat this study, I would extend this by identification of age, sex, and commodities in order to evaluate risks in subgroups. A follow-up study could also be a study which compares the tree-based signals with conventional pharmacovigilance strategies to apply the sensitivity and specificity between various real-world scenarios. The new learning that I learned from this topic, from this research paper is vaccine safety monitoring, which I had not previously engaged through thoroughly. And the next second one is real-time surveillance at large scale by using risk statistical algorithm. T-scan software and the other applications which are used to detect the vaccines, particularly in the area of monitoring adverse drug reactions. And these are the follow-up questions that I'm going to deeply research about this research paper and the topic also. And the first one is to prevent adverse events at the earliest. How do we incorporate tree-based scan statistics with other AI and ML machine learning skills? And the second one is what are the shortcomings in limited employability of diagnostic code in large-scale monitoring of vaccine safety and how can the weakness be overcome? And these are the references. Thank you very much. Have a good day.